Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade vanilla almond pound cake for diabetics. This recipe serves about 20 individual servings of pound cake. Not only is this cake sugar-free and full of flavor, but it's absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here is all what you will need to make your vanilla almond pound cake for diabetics, and we're going to get started with our ingredients. You will need some blanched almond flour, baking powder, salt, Splenda no-calorie sweetener, Country Crock unsalted butter at room temperature. Now this butter has a lower fat content than the regular unsalted butter. Now if you can't find this butter, you can use the regular unsalted butter and make sure this is at room temperature. Okay. You also need 5 large eggs at room temperature, 8 ounces of light sour cream at room temperature. Now this sour cream has a lower fat content than the regular sour cream. Now if you don't want to use this, you can use the regular sour cream if you like. Okay. You will also need some 2% reduced fat milk. Now if you don't want to use this, you can also use the regular whole milk if you like. And for our flavorings, you will need some vanilla extract and some almond extract. To bake your vanilla almond pound cake, you need some Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray and a Nordic Ware anniversary bundt pan. And there we have it. Let's get straight to it. Add 3 cups of almond flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sift all the dry ingredients into a large bowl. Give this a quick stir. In our stand mixer with a paddle attachment, add 3 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature and 3 cups of Splenda no-calorie sweetener. Start your mixer on a medium speed just to get that sweetener and butter incorporated. Turn your mixer up to the highest setting and mix this on high speed for 4 minutes. Now at some point during those 4 minutes, you're going to stop your mixer and scrape down the sides of your bowl. And you're going to continue to mix that in. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now we're going to add 5 large eggs in, one at a time. Start your mixer on a medium speed. And we're going to add the 5 eggs in, one at a time. Scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and a 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. Mix all ingredients on a medium speed for about 1 minute or until it's well combined. Spray your bundt pan with non-stick baking spray and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Add 1 cup of your almond flour mixture and 1/4 cup of sour cream mixture at room temperature. Mix on a medium-low speed until combined. Add 1 cup of your almond flour mixture and 1/4 cup of your sour cream mixture at room temperature. Mix on a medium-low speed until combined. Add 1 cup of your almond flour mixture and 1/4 cup of sour cream at room temperature. Mix all ingredients on a medium speed until combined. And our pound cake batter is now ready. Add your pound cake batter into your bundt pan as evenly as possible. Using the back of a spoon, spread your pound cake batter around your bundt pan as evenly as possible. To make the batter more evenly, shake your pan slightly and also tap the pan onto the table. Now it's ready to be baked. Place into a preheated 350-degree oven. Bake for 1 hour. Remove your pound cake out of the oven after baking on 350 degrees for 1 hour. Now we're going to do a toothpick test. Insert it. It should come out clean. Do another toothpick test. Insert it. It should come out clean. Let the cake cool completely before flipping. To make the glaze, add 1/4 cups of Splenda no-calorie sweetener, and next you're going to add 2 tablespoons of warm 2% milk, 1 tablespoon of melted unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Stir all your ingredients together. Continue to stir this until the mixture is creamy and smooth. And this is how it looks when we're done. Here I have a squeeze bottle. You're going to add your icing into the squeeze bottle. Now if you don't have the squeeze bottle, then you can just pour the icing on top of your cake. Now as you can see, we flipped our cake over after we let it cool. Now we're going to take our icing and we're going to drizzle it on top of the cake. We're going to go all the way around. Just drizzle that icing all around the top of your pound cake. And here is the final presentation. And there you have it, homemade vanilla almond pound cake for diabetics. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's taste test. This here. Wow, the cake is nice, soft, moist with a tender crumb. You can taste the flavor of the vanilla and the almond, and then they got that vanilla almond glaze on top. Absolutely delicious. I mean, to say this is a diabetic pound cake, I mean, it could literally actually rival the actual pound cakes that's made with regular sugar. I mean, it's really good. The sugar is not too sweet, it's just right. Really good. So, give the recipe a try. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.